Anyways, we need to get rid of this 4-cylinder wire. This is a 91. So this part right here, that to this ground connection, that stays. Anything past that goes. This is your dash harness, and that is the ECU harness. So this fat cable that runs back here to these all the way around, and then comes to this 4-cylinder stuff. Needs to go, so I'm gonna get rid of that, and I have to take these 2 bolts off. Basically take off anything that's attached to this and then it runs back inside the passenger kicker panel. So once I get there, I'll start recording. I got everything off from on the engine side, so now it's to get this panel off here, and then we can get the rest of it off. Take off right here. Take that off. Can't really record this. Anyways, take that off and then we'll go from there. Off, and then you have to take this ground off right here. Just connect it to the harness. So yeah, loosen that. Okay. Alright, take this gray plug off as well. So let me do this ground, and then I'm gonna feed it through and see if it comes out. Socket size for that ground is size 7. And this bracket here I took off right here. This what finger is that? This finger, that's a 7 too, and I took that off to give you more slack. So both 7.
Small wires, grab those first.
Okay, so I got the ECU harness out. You feed it through. You'll need 2 people for this, and then get these 3 pieces out first from there, and then fish this out. You need a screwdriver. Took two of us to do it. One of us pushing down and wiggling it, whatever, and then it comes out. So this is the 4-cylinder ECU harness, which is now garbage. It's not garbage. I'm probably gonna sell it because I had people wanting to buy it.